Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you two recipes of potato salad. Now let us see the ingredients required for the first one. Here I have taken chopped potatoes, two medium sized, and into this now I'm going to add curd. Okay, curd and little black pepper, ground black pepper. Okay, and salt to taste. So much, that's all. Okay, now into this I am going to garnish it with chopped coriander. That's all. Just mix this, and you can call this as a salad or you can call it as a potato raita. See, this is how my potato raita look like. So this was my first recipe. Now my second recipe is Lebanese potato salad, Lebanese style. Now into this, here I have taken three medium-sized boiled potatoes. They are diced. Okay. Along with that, here I have taken finely chopped coriander. Then some fine ground black pepper powder, salt to taste. Salt to taste. Then this is the powder of cumin, roasted cumin powder. Then this is say about 7 to 8 garlic pods finely chopped. Okay, then I will need some olive oil, 1 tablespoon. Then this is 2 tablespoons finely chopped fresh mint. Okay, then here I have taken 1 medium size finely chopped onion and 2 tablespoons of lime juice. Let us begin to make all these, the salad. Now first I will take potatoes. Okay. Now into these potatoes I'll be adding onion, finely chopped onion. Okay, to this I'll be adding finely chopped garlic, 7 to 8 pods of garlic finely chopped. Okay, then I'll be adding finely chopped coriander. Then finely chopped mint leaves. Okay, now I'm going to mix all this together. I'll take a smaller spoon. Okay, this is very healthy recipe, and if you like my recipe, kindly click on to the subscribe button for my channel, click on to the thumbs up or the like button, share my video with your friends and relatives. Now here I will prepare a marinade or say a dressing. Okay, now into this I'm going to add olive oil. Like this spoons, this is a smaller spoon. So here I will be taking 4 teaspoons of olive oil. That gives 1 tablespoon. Okay. Now into 2 tablespoons of lime juice, I've added 4 teaspoons of olive oil. Then into this, I'm going to add a pinch of ground pepper, black pepper. Okay, then salt to taste. Okay, then I'll be adding roasted cumin powder, so much, half teaspoon. Okay, and this I will mix all together, and this dressing I'll be adding it to the potatoes. And mix well. Okay. So here my Lebanese style potato salad is ready. Now I'll just check for the salt level. Perfect. It's perfect. So I'm putting this into this bowl for presentation. Okay, so this is my Lebanese style potato salad, and this is you can call potato salad or potato koshimbir. Okay, this salad is used, you know, for Ekadashi, for the fast that we have in Maharashtrian style. Okay, so if you have liked my recipe, please try and do it, and please write your comments in the comments box. Thank you.